You will learn how to import the old Etabs version file to a newer version. The version of Etabs I am using right now is Etabs 9.7.4. So I'll be opening a model which was made on this old version of Etabs. It's a building model which was prepared on this version of Etabs, that is 9.7.4. So first of all, I will try to open this model in the Etabs 2016 version and show you what kind of errors you might get. So that is the error which I am getting, as the model was made on older version of Etabs. So now I will have to press save button on the old version Etabs, and then it will be generated an E2K file or $ET file which can be imported into newer version. So I will import this file into this version of Etabs. This error means that if the structure was designed on ASD code, that is allowable stress design, so it will be converted into AISC LRFD method. That means the ASD method is not included in the newer version, which was an old method. So now I have imported the Etabs model in the new version of Etabs. Thank you for watching.